This is a story about Mia. Mia lives in this house with her mom.
Mia is sleeping in her cozy room.
The weather is changing fast.
What? What is that sound?
The light. Thunder is very loud. I am scared. I must find them. I need to go to Mom. Mom. Are you here? Open, please, Octo. Mom, please help me. Oh, the power is off. Yeah. All alone here. Look, Stella. My toys look strange. No monster, no monster, no monster. It is a monster! Go away! Go away! Mom?
Wait, what is that sound? I must check Mia. Mia, are you all right? I hear you crying. Mia, don't be scared, my dear. Mommy is here.
How?
I'm right here, sweetie. See, it opened.
Wow, it's warm and bright. Mommy, I'm glad you are here.
My brave girl.
There was a monster under my bed.
No monster is real. It's only your imagination. Come here, Mia. Let's look under your bed together. Let's see together. Look, Mia. There is no monster. Come here, Mia. Let's play a little game.
Wow, the shadow is very cute now. I am not scared anymore.
Here, this is your new friend.
I can see everything in my room now. Look, Mom, I have the power of light now.
Okay, playtime's over. Time for sleep.
Sure, Mom.
Keep warm. Don't kick your blanket off.
I will, Mom.
Good night, my vi.
Good night, Mom.
Mia feels peaceful. The night is calm again. Be brave like Mia. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.